Greeting, this is Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at how we can add a paragraph border and a page border in Microsoft Word. Yes, a paragraph border and a page border is what we're going to look for in this Microsoft Word here. So a lot of you might not familiar with a paragraph border, but you're familiar with a page border. So the difference between a paragraph border and a page border is that the paragraph border only border the paragraph alone, while the page border everything. So I'm going to enter some data in the sheet and show exactly how that is done. So I'm going to type a code right here to get some paragraph right here. So I'm going to type REND. Right, I'm going to put the bracket here and then I'm going to press enter. Now we have some paragraph right here. Right, very important. But we want to look for definitely a paragraph border. In order for me to get a paragraph border, you notice this paragraph, I'm going to block this paragraph right here. And notice I block the paragraph. So when I block the paragraph, the next thing that I wanted to do here is to come up here, home. This is the home tab. You're going to click right here on the home tab. Very important. If you come right up in here, you can remember pay attention to paragraph. So come right inside of this group here, paragraph. Right? You notice this little window, you're going to click on the little pointer come down. Right? You can come right here, say all border, or you can say outside border. You're going to click. So this is how you get a paragraph border. Right, I'm going to do that again. I'm going to block the whole entire paragraph just like that. You want to come right here, make sure you click on home, come right in paragraph right here. But if you notice this little window here, just going to click on it. You can either click all border or outside border, just the same. Alright, just like that. You notice? Good. So now we complete the paragraph border. Now what we want now is a page border. How are we going to get the page border? We're going to come right up here in the layout tab, right? No, not the layout, the design. When you click on the design here, you're going to come to your far right. If you notice the page background right here, we have watermark, page color, and page border. We're going to click on page border. Notice when you click on page border, bring up this little window right here, right? So very important. Notice you bring up this little window right here. Over here shows a none, show a box to give you a shadow, and all of that. Here is a display window. So it display right here before it show up out here. So if I click right here, you notice the display right here. If I want to take off one side, I can do that. Take that, go back right here. If I can scroll along right here, just the same, and click. You notice the border over here again. Go on and click, took some more. That's exactly how it looks like. But what if I don't really like this border now? Where can I get some next border? I can come all the way. Notice right here, say art, and so none. You're just going to click right here, go drop down box right here. You notice? These are some, and if I click right here, you notice this how it looks like again. If you want to change, you have to go back. Scroll bar, here you go down just like that. You can actually scroll down to the one exactly like you see that you want to insert. I want to insert this one. You notice, but if you notice outside it tick. If I want to decrease, I can come right here, so width. Notice show 31. If I come like this right here, look point, you notice 30, 27. You notice how small here it actually get. So take my little time and go down again and carry it down just like that. And if I click on OK, you notice the whole entire page here with the border. It's very important. Alright, if you notice, this is exactly how it looks like. And if I scroll up, you notice all page up on the border. Good. So this is how you add a page border and a paragraph border. I hope you have learned something from this particular video. Remember to share it with your friend and write a comment on how this video has helped you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.